Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by getting into safe mode so you can diagnose without drivers. First, back up any unsaved, critical files to an external drive. Once done, force reboot twice to trigger automatic repair. Make sure to choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Startup Settings. When Windows restarts, press 4 or F4 for safe mode. This limits drivers and services so you can isolate the crash cause quickly, rather than chasing transient driver loads. Once in safe mode, you inspect drivers and hardware. You should open Device Manager to update or roll back recently changed drivers. Focus on display, storage, and network adapters, because faulty drivers commonly trigger blue screens. Then run Windows Memory Diagnostic and schedule chkdsk/f/r to scan RAM and disk sectors. Both can reveal hardware faults. Also, open Event, Viewer, and Review Minidump files in C/Windows/Minidump to capture bugcheck codes and driver names for targeted fixes. You now repair system corruption and apply final fixes. Run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to restore system files. These commands often stop recurring blue screens caused by corrupted OS components. If crashes began after a recent app or update, uninstall those changes and reboot to confirm. Make sure to note the stop code for minidumps. If problems persist, test by clean installing Windows or swapping suspected hardware. And if it fails, consult the key troubleshooting tip below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.